How to go back in a live stream on Twitch. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can go back live in a stream on Twitch. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta go is that download a stream on your phone or on your PC and then create an account on Stream and just open the application. So just click on your profile over here. So what you gotta do is once you come to your profile, you gotta click on Stream Manager over here. So just click on Stream Manager and here you can basically just start a specific stream. Now if you wish to go back to a specific stream, you gotta click on My Channel over here and then you can just start a specific clip or whenever you have created a live video. So when you click on clip over here or videos over here, you'll be able to see all of your videos or clips over here. So you can just select a specific clip and you can also clip parts that you want to revisit when it comes to live stream from yours or others as well. So now if you wish to take clips from any other person's stream, you can just click on home button over here and then you can select a specific stream. Now if the specific streamer has enabled the clip option, then you can just click on that will be somewhere over here. So when you click on that, if they have clipping enabled, so what happens that Twitch allows viewers to create short clips which can be usually among 30 to 60 seconds. So once you click on that option over here, if the person has enabled that is very rare. So once you click on that, you will be able to see that a clip has been created. So you can just download that clip and even send it to your friends, and you can do that from live streams and past broadcast on channels that have this feature turned on. So that was basically how you can go back in a live stream. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.